protocol. So right now we have two firewalls, and one more thing you must have to understand before implementing the VPN IPSec. Whenever we are going to configure the VPN, if you are using any vendor, it might be Cisco, it might be Sophos, Palo Alto, Juniper, or Fortinet. The thing is that behind all the VPN configurations, IPsec is working. So you damn care about the firewall vendors, because all have the same parameters, the same protocols. You just need to configure same protocols, same configuration parameters on the both sides. So here, if I move with the side to side connectivity, so let me refresh it, and if I move with the side to side VPN connectivity, so you will notice that there are a number of VPN sessions already established. And here we go. Here you can see number of VPNs are working, while few of the VPNs are went down. So if I want to add a new VPN connectivity, so I just need to click over here, and same on the other side. So here I have side to side VPN connectivity options. So it's really simple. You just need to select the accurate protocol according to your requirement on both sides, the same credential parameters. So the session will be automatically established. And here we go. If I click on the add button, on the both sides, so here I'm gonna click on the add button as well. So here you go. Now here you are going to create the IPsec session over IPv4 or IPv6 and all the parameters here. Here we have different kinds of protocols available regarding the implementation. Here you can see IKE 1, IKE 2, and all these kinds of stuff available over here. Okay. And if I check on the other side, so here you can see it's a site to site VPN connectivity. We can configure lots of other parameters. So whenever we are working with the enterprise level firewall, so we just create an standardized profile, and that profile will use for all the connections. So let's move and see how we can create the profile. So I just click on the side to side VPN. And here you can see IPsec profiles, because behind the VPNs we have a number of options regarding the protocols. So we can fix this to create a standardized IPsec profile. So I just click on the IPsec profile, and here you can see there are number of profiles in default available. You can use all these profiles, and if you want to create a customized profile as per your own organizational requirement, so just need to click the add button over here, and here we go. Now S2S profile, okay, or I can put it name like IPsec profile. Okay, now we need to understand the two basic protocols. The first one is IKE 1 and the second one is IKE 2. IKE is basically stand for Internet Key Exchange. The version 1 is the older one, while the IKE 2 is the latest one. So we can use both of them. And here, if we move forward, so we need to understand that the connectivity or the implementation of the VPN consists on two phases. In the phase 1, devices are not going to transfer any kind of user data. In phase 1, both devices communicate with each other. They discuss about their confidentiality protocols, authentication, encryption, and that kind of parameters. When they completely communicated and agreed on all the parameters on the both sides, then they can go and establish the VPN session. When the VPN session is established, then in the next phase, user can transfer and communicate on both sides. So the phase one is completely related with the device to device connectivity, communication, implementation. While the phase two is completely related with the user data. So here you can see we have a number of options available regarding the protocols. So the key life, I just need to set up. Generally, we select it standardized format. Okay. And now here you can see the Diffie-Hellman protocol exists over here, and in the same encryption, if I click inside the drop down, so here you can see the 3 days option is available. Unfortunately, we have the latest version, so the days option is not available over here, but I'm still going with the AES 256, and in the same manner authentication. Here if I can show you the protocols, and let me get it back. Here you can see, so for confidentiality, we select AES, and for now, for the integrity, we have MD5 and SHA available over here. Here you can see SHA is available over here, and you can select SHA-1, which is older one. MD5 is also older one, so we can go with the SHA-2 protocol. And now in the same, I can select the Diffie-Hellman group as well, and for both phases I need to select the same one. So I'll select all these parameters, and let me select it, my mistake, or same as phase one. Okay, and here I select the same key life for how many seconds the VPN session will be established, and here the encryption parameters, here is the authentication parameters, and that's it. So in the profile side, we just need to select the protocols for both phases. I just need to save that one. Okay, now I need to create the same profile with the same parameters on the other side as well. So if I create over here, I just need to S2S IPSec profile. Okay, so again, for IKE2, I selected the IKE2, and well, okay, I'm on the side to side VPN. My bad. I just need to select the profiles. Okay, so here we go with the IPSec profiles. I just want to show you when you have the older version. So number of other profiles and protocols available. Here we go with the other side. On the both side, we are going to perform these tasks. Okay, so I just type the same name. Name might be different, no worries about the name, because it's just for the identity. Okay, again I select the I2, and here as I said that on the both side parameters will be the same, and here we have the same protocols, each and everything is going same, and here same as phase one. And if here if I can click over here, here IPSec. So here you can see 3 days is available, and number of other protocols available which are older. So if you have the older version, so the older protocols available inside the firewall. So we just need to cancel it, because I have already created these profiles over here, Azure for Sophos, and here you can see the same parameters over here. So I just need to create the site-to-site VPN connectivity. So it's again really simple, and I have already established this template for you just because to save the time. And here you can see Azure for Sophos site-to-site VPN is already available. So I just need to edit this and show you the parameters. because it will save the time. And here you can see I just select initiate the connection. This firewall has the capacity that whenever we are going to create the VPN session, so it will initiate the connectivity. And here is Azure for Sophos profile available. Pre-shared key, definitely I put the password over here, which, and this password will be same on the both sides. So here we have the IP over which I'm going to create the VPN. It's a public IP, and here you can see I have the public IP address for this as well. And this public IP address you can verify from here. Here I have the public IP address for this firewall. So, and now here I just allow the local subnets, and the local subnet is over here is 10.10.10, and it's any remote subnet is allowed to communicate over this VPN. So I just click save the button. Okay, and the same site to site VPN exists over here. So let me show you that both firewalls having the same profile, having the same security protocols. Here you can see I just need to show you. Here. So the pre-shared key, Azure for Sophos, and here the same public IP and the same public IP over here. So I just need to save over here, and after saving this I just need to initiate over here. So it will communicate over the internet, and you will see that the remote here you can see. So it's really simple. You just need to understand the architecture of the IPSec and select the right protocols on the both sides, and this IPSec model will create a secure VPN connectivity for you. And again, as I said, that there is no difference if you are using IPSec or on Palo Alto, Fortinet, or any other firewall. So the process will be the same. The VPN phases are same. It might be there is a little bit difference regarding how we can use the inside configuration parameters for any firewall. So let's see in the coming episodes what other technical features available when we talk about any kind of firewall configuration.